What's going on, everybody? This is Coach D coming at you. All right, listen, if you got to the stage where you've been wanting to create a simple website for your business or funnel pages, booking pages so that you can book more clients, you realize you need to get more leads and sales and customers in your business. But I know the thing is, you're like, man, I'm not real techie. I don't understand all that technical jargon. And you definitely don't have thousands of dollars to pay a designer. I get it. I understand where you at. Well, you're about to see the tool that I've been using to actually create some of these pages, whether it be a website page, whether it be a funnel page, a page for affiliate and network marketing, so that you can have lead magnets, all that stuff. So let me show you guys some of the pages that I've been able to create. All right, so here, for example, here's a website template. All these right here are website templates that I created. And inside of HBA, that's the tool that I use, they actually have over 100 templates that you can use, so you don't have to start from scratch. But here's just some of the ones that I've been able to create. For example, this one right here is a template that I made that any auto repair shop could use. This is a actual website template I created. You see it's a full-blown website. So a person could basically just come in here, kind of plug and play their company information and be gone about their business, right? Beautiful, beautiful template. Something else that I created as well, I actually created a membership site. We can actually create membership sites that have the login page, right? So it's password protected. So a person will have to log in, boom, and then they can be in here inside of a membership site. I created this membership site using the HBA tool and using some of the templates that are inside. Another page that I created is actually a website that I am creating for my car recycling business, right? So this is another actual full-blown website. The cool thing is we get the opportunity to make unlimited pages, unlimited websites, unlimited pages. So this is just another example of something that I created for my own business as well. And another example, back here to a portfolio, this is one I made for a template for affiliate and network marketing. Somebody can use this as an opt-in page to get more leads and sales. And look at that animation coming down. Yeah, love it. Yep, I created that as well inside of the HBA builder. And taking a look at another page that I created right here, which is another opt-in page that people can use, if they're coaches or what have you, right? Anybody really can use it, but I made this one for coaches right here. Boom. You see this wonderful opt-in page right here, right? With the animations at the bottom and a pop-up email opt-in. Yes, I created that using the same builder. And here's the deal, guys. If I can make these things inside of this tool, you can too, without any coding experience, right? You don't need to know code, without any fancy other equipment on top of it. You make beautiful pages just like this and be able to take advantage of over 100 templates already done for you. You can just tweak them, put your own details, your own little spin on it, and launch it. No stress. And here's the real sauce, guys. When you decide to go ahead and grab the HBA platform along with the premium, so that way you can learn about marketing, you decide to go ahead and grab that with my link down below. You're going to get access to the marketing cheat code, where you're going to get access to done for you web pages that are niche specific, done for you video lead magnets, right? Where the video is already created, you got the lead magnet already created, and the email swipes already created. You're going to get all of that as a bonus just for joining with my link down below. Check this out. Let's say you have a marketing agency or something like that. You're going to be able to leverage these to help your clients in their business when they decide to join you as well. Or if you're an affiliate or network marketer, same thing. So you're going to be able to leverage. It's all about the leverage, baby. Guys, check out some of the pages that I've made in this portfolio for you. And this is an ongoing, growing portfolio. I'm going to be putting more and more pages back here on top of the over 100 that you get when you join inside of HBA, guys. All right. And when you're ready to go ahead and jump on board today and grab those bonuses with me, go ahead and click this link right here. And you can get the easy website tool that I'm using. Other than that, guys, y'all already know we're going to do what? We're going to take this ride to the top. All right. And I'll see y'all on the inside.